Today we're discussing the Wildcats of the 3030 Winchester. Hi, I'm Ben, this is Benny. Let's get into it. The 3030 Winchester was based on the 3855 Winchester, which originated from the 3850 Ballard, so I have included the variants of these as well. We will start with the factory variants. 32 Winchester Special, a neck down 3855. 2535 Winchester, this was released at the same time as the 3030. 22 Savage High Power, created by Charles Newton and Savage Arms in 1912. 219 Zipper, created by Winchester Repeating Arms in 1937. 730 Waters, developed by Ken Waters in 1976 and standardised by Winchester in 1984. 375 Winchester, released in 1978, it is similar to its 3855 parent cartridge, but they are not interchangeable. And the very recent 360 Buckhammer, developed by Remington Arms in 2022. Now the Wildcats. 219 Donaldson Wasp. This was developed during the late 1930s by Harvey Donaldson and is a shortened version of the 219 Zipper. 30 Herret, a shortened version of the 3030. 375 Herret, same as previous but necked up to 375. 7mm international rimmed, created by Eglin Gates, it is similar to the 730 Waters. 35 3030, invented in the early 1900s. A lot of the previously mentioned Wildcats have improved versions as well. There are many standard and Ackley Improved versions, including 22 Ackley, 6mm Ackley, 25 Ackley, 6.5 Ackley, 7mm Ackley, and 30 Ackley. Fred Smith also has his Bullberry Wildcats, which he chambered in guns then stamped a ballsack roll mark on the barrel. I talk about that more in the weekly newsletter, which you can sign up for down below. And if you like my shirt, check that out as well. I would also like to mention the 30 Remington. Created in 1906 by Remington Arms, it was Remington's rimless answer to the popular 3030 Winchester, and it has very similar dimensions with the exception of the rim. If we have missed any, make sure you leave a comment below.